Alright folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to talk about Dave & Buster's ticker PLAY, P-L-A-Y. This is a adult entertainment, and I don't mean that in a, pornography type way. I just mean adult type of place where you would go play video games. They serve great food. They serve, craft beers and things of that nature. So it's an enjoyable place for adults to go basically play. You know what I mean? And again, not going down that the road many would probably think. So, talking about the stock chart, more importantly, have a new high pushed here on April 3rd, 2024. So this is a year-to-date chart. I'll just make it look like that so you can see it. 2024 in a whole. We have a pretty firm, what I would consider a firm area here of resistance, right? I'd probably say it's safe to say, like, that's a pretty firm line. We whack it a few times, we fall back. We ultimately push through it. And with that push, we place ultra high, the highest volume printed to date at that time, of indecision, right? So a non-biased candle. What does that mean? That means buyers and sellers agreed to push price to this level. Also agreed to some degree to hold it here for that period of time. And then one party decided to step out. Well, obviously the buyers stepped out because the sellers stepped in. And when you see an ultra high volume candle like this printed, right? You get the red radar dot down here. You get this massive, massive candle printed. Especially when it's printing neutral per se, you want to be absolutely aware that there could be very immediate failure to follow, right? So what does that mean? That means, hey, if we immediately close back below this candle, there's a good chance that price ends up falling back. And you can see we closed back below that support line. Price gave it all back and is continuing lower as we speak. As I shoot this video, we are pushing into the low of year to date. So it just goes to show you how important these ultra high volume candles are. Not just the volume itself, but in the context of the price action, so that you understand where these high probability reversals can exist in the market, really at any point in time. So what you need to do is first be aware, right? And then apply that awareness to context. And that can give you a picture to say, hey, I got super, super high aggressive volume here. I have no bias of buyers, and I have an immediate failure. It tells me that sellers are probably going to be the ones who step in. And you can see, year to date from this occurrence, we have squatted some almost a little over 36.5%, right? So how valuable would it be to have a full, complete understanding of what's happening with the volume in addition to the price action compiled together into a way where you can go, ooh, I need to take a deeper look at this, because there may be either an opportunity to get short or buy puts, or if I'm long this company, I probably want to start covering my butt up because we may be in for some trouble. So if you want to learn more about how you can access not only the indicators we offer, but that knowledge itself, there's a link below this video. I encourage you to click on it, consume the content. Feel free to reach out to myself or my Hawkeye Concierge team. We'll walk you through a full understanding of what volume and price action is, putting those pieces together, whether you're day trading, swing trading, position trading, whether you're trading stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies, it doesn't matter, right? What matters is you having an understanding and the ability to see visually what's happening with the volume. That, my friends, is a game changer in your trading business. So again, go below, click on that link, consume the content. Feel free to reach out to us. Let us help you take the next step in your trading career. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful and blessed